All right, back with some, I would say some medium rare heat. Yeah, we're gonna unbox these, not air quotes, we're gonna unbox these. But I got a fresh from Nike grade school size that the lady hit on. So we'll unbox these first and then I'll show you, I picked up my size for resale from Syndicate here in LA. So let's do a proper unboxing first of my ladies pair from Nike. These dropped February 13th on the Sneakers app. I'm not sure if anyone else got these. But like what's crazy, why I call them medium rare heat, these aren't going for all that much right now. Maybe it's the economy, maybe it's sneaker fatigue. Maybe it's because in the Kobe 6s, there's now, a couple of pairs to choose from, and then there's rumors of more colorways down the pike. But for whatever reason, these are not crazy priced. So we'll get into more of that. But here they are first. I'll show you them first. This is the Kobe 6 Protro in sale, aka the All-Star pair. She got them in 5.5, which grade school size, which is 7 women's. Before I reveal them, please subscribe to the channel, like the video if you could. That would help me out. Comment, do all that stuff. I've been kind of slack. I've been away, so I didn't do a low heat show recently. But if you want, please check out that my podcast, if you will. If you like it, watch it, leave a comment, drop a comment that you like it, want more, because it takes a bit to organize all the news and go through everything. So I'm not going to do it if people don't want to watch it or whatever. So if you like it, want to watch it, check out the old ones and drop a comment, and I'll get around to more. I think I'm going to do one next week, or coming up very soon. So here we go. Let's see these. Yes, and we'll do a little comparison quick with the grade school size to this in case you're curious. But beautiful, beautiful shoe. I love the Kobe 6 as many people do. I'm sure you do if you're watching. It is probably my favorite Kobe. And again, I think that's the case with a lot of people. It's not just the Grinch colorway or some of his signature colorways. I really like the design. I think, as most people do, I really like the design, the sleekness, because it does a good job of being a great hooping shoe, athletic shoe, with also being wearable as lifestyle. And sometimes basketball shoes struggle to do that a bit. And just love the textured upper here. So you got the signature Mamba snake skin, but because it's the All-Star version, you got the All-Star, you got the stars pattern on the outside. Comes with extra laces. This looks like a sail pair. Comes equipped with the white pair and comes with an extra black pair. Really, 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 really sick shoe. Yeah, these are great. So there's a grade school size. Let's bring out the big boy size. So as I said, I got these at Syndicate here in LA. Shouts to them. I was able to trade some stuff in and get these because I was misremembering a little bit. I was telling the guys I'd never hit on a pair of Kobe's. False. On this channel, I unboxed the Girl Dad ones. So that was the first pair of Kobe's I really hit on. Actually got those. I got rid of those. I just wasn't feeling them as much. I just wasn't going to wear them enough. Needed some space, needed some cash. So I got rid of those. And of course, I did hit on the cleats, the football cleats. But I also sold those maybe a little prematurely. Probably could have made a little bit more if I held on just a little bit longer. But I sold those because I don't play football. I was hoping they were soccer cleats, and they weren't. They were actual American football cleats. Anyway, so this is my first pair of Kobe 6s, basketball shoes. And why I got these is because, the price on these, if right now in size 12, they are like $300 on StockX. So that means like, $350, $360 once fees, taxes, and shipping and all that stuff is included. And if you want any other pair, if you want like the reverse Grinches, those are like $450 with taxes, fees. You're going to be paying $500, probably close to $500. even if you get them at like 390 or whatever, paying close to 500. The green ones, the original, well, not the originals, but the retro green Grinches are like almost a band. They're almost $1,000. That is crazy. That is crazy. Hopefully those retro down the road. But yeah, those are $1,000. So I'm not paying that. I'm not even paying 500 for red ones. This is a very wearable color, and it's sitting. The retail on these was 190, I think. So about 200. That, you know, again, it's not. I'm not going to say it's cheap. 300 is affordable compared to your other options for these. So if you're interested, I would definitely look into getting these. Scrape together some cash, do some trades like I did. Get them now before these start creeping up. Now, that being said, there are going to be potentially some other colorways. Vanessa Bryant has teased the Dodgers ones, some purple ones, some like lilac ones. So maybe these will stay lower just because there'll be more colorway options out there and people will have a chance to get their pair or pairs. But let's try them on. I'm wearing Supreme Black Air Force Ones today. I'm going to be wearing these for a month straight. That's the energy I'm on right now. So follow me on the gram, Lowheat_fancy-pants. I'll post a pic a day just to show proof and the wear. But I'm going to be wearing these for a month straight. That's the only shoe I'm going to wear. Mate, I was thinking of sprinkling in the black cement 3s, you know, at night. Or if I'm wearing shorts, these look a little... These look aggressive to begin with, but they look especially aggressive with shorts. So I was thinking of sprinkling in the black Air Jordan Cement 3s, but then it kind of defeats the whole thing of wearing these every day. So I don't know. TBD, but follow me on the gram if you could, and you'll see my journey of wearing these every day. That's just the way I'm feeling this upcoming month. All right, let's try these on. I already tried these on at the store. They let me try them on, and I will tell you right now, for me, and I'm not a amateur hooper. I'm not a professional hooper. I can't even remember the last time I balled was, but I would go half size up. Now, if you like a really, really snug fit and no room in your toe, feel free to go true to size. I'm sure many of you have tried these on before, but those of you like me who are ignorant to the sizing of Kobe 6 Protros, I would go half size up, especially if you're not hooping a lot and you don't know like what you like or how, you know, what you prefer, your preferences for basketball shoes. I would, if you're going to just casually wear these, my hard recommendation is going half size up. There's a bit of room in the toe, but like these are really snug, and I would be, if I went true to size, you know, it would be uncomfortable. I think it would fit too tight around the foot, like too tight, and like definitely not half size. Look, I can barely get my foot in. Now, granted, there's a tripod and a phone between my legs. But I would definitely not go half size down. I love white shoes. I will say, obviously, they get dirty quicker. They show wear quicker. But as of now, I'm planning on using these for basketball, the rare times I play basketball, and just the rare outing. I think I'm going to use these sparingly as of now. So hopefully they stay crispy white, stay clean. Wearing my Bucks stance socks. Unfortunately, Bobby Portis got dinged for banned substance. But hopefully the Bucks can make a good run this year. Anyways, those are fantastic. Easy for me, easy 9 out of 10. I don't know if I'm going to go any further. Like storytelling, materials, uniqueness. It's just super clean basketball shoe that you can also wear outside of basketball. Super clean. Easy 9 for me. 9 out of 10. Please subscribe. Like my videos. Another unboxing coming up soon. I will be unboxing. I got the Air Jordan 1 Black Toes. Air Jordan Retro Black Toes. Check for that video dropping very soon. And let me know if you want to see more Lowheat show. All right, yeah, these are fire. Go half size up. Scrape together some cash is my recommendation if you like these. You're really not going to find a secondary market Kobe 6 Protro for cheaper unless they do some funny colorway. And if they do some funny colorway, are you going to really want it? This is a colorway I think most people can get behind. Like, you know, orange, you know, like the... I'm telling you, these are going to creep up. I think. I don't know. I don't think they're going to go down too much, right? Like, let's say you get these, let's say you pay, you know, $300 to $350. Like, what if they go down to $280, $325? Like, is that big a deal? Or is that what you're really willing to risk? You want to save $20 and willing to risk them going up to like $400, $500 also? Yeah, I would not advise that. All right, peace.